Hey everybody, Jim King back out here in Independence. This front porch columns, pier, encased in concrete and backfill. This pier right here, encased in concrete, letting it dry before we throw the dirt on there. Redoing some cracks we had done prior a few years ago, going back over it. NP150 polyurethane. It's good stuff. It's like a permanent band-aid. My amigos, we get done here in a few minutes. We're going to head to Lee Summit. We're going to saw cut some floors on a 4-pier project, and then we're going to go out to Raintree Lake and start a 9-pier project, digging the holes. We're just going to saw cut the floors on the 4-pier project. So for all your foundation repair needs, give me a call, 816-521-8915. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.